Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add discount price on Shopify. So there's a specific option for the discount on the left side. Just go and click on discount here. You will get this option of create discount. If you haven't created any of the discount till now, you will see this option. Go and click on discount. Now here you will get this four option. The first one is you can just give amount of product, for example $20 off on the product. So buy this, you will get that free amount of order, right? The percentage you can add, the free shipping. So all this works exactly same. So I will show you how you can just create the first one. And so this is a discount code. So customer can only avail this offer, this discount, once they order this, once they know the discount code. So this discount code is order free, right? If you want to generate random code, you can generate it. So I will just give them 50% off if the customer apply this discount code here. Specific collections, I will just go and select any of the specific collection here. So let's say I will just go for a specific product. For example, this discount only applies on this product here. No minimum requirement, of course. So you can just change all these things, right? For example, customer eligibility. So you can select for this is for all customers or for this specific customers, right? And limit numbers of time discount can be used. So I will just use limit to one use per customer here. And once everything is done, you can change the date. For example, the discount is going to run from today to, I will set an end date here. If you don't want to end this, so you can just leave it as it is and click on save discount. Now whoever customer use this order free will able to get a discount of 50% on only this product. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.